My name's Amy from Anchor EV, and today I'm going to be walking you around our lovely 2019 Hyundai Kona. This is really low mileage, just over 22,000 miles, and fully electric, so no more going to the petrol station. Inside we have radio and media, navigation, advanced settings, and setup. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we have our rear camera, and just below, climate control. We also have heated seats on either side, heated steering wheel, and drive mode, where we can switch between sport, eco, comfort, and eco plus. As we pan our camera around, we can see that we have our cream leather seats. If you would like any more information on the vehicle, or you'd like to book in for a test drive, please feel free to call us on 0118 443 3024.